Curiosity to spark, ignite the brain, innovate the mind, break the chain. Team Explore you, we rise above. Education play, knowledge hub.
Morning experiment we are experiments. Today we present to you our innovation, a board game designed to revolutionize the way students learn history by making it fun, engaging, and effective. Our project directly addresses SDG quality education by improving students' engagement with history while also fostering critical thinking and teamwork.
Seen as a difficult subject, its students struggling to retain information. Our innovation transfers the traditional method of teaching history but integrating it into an exciting interactive board game. Each player becomes a historical figure. They process by answering questions and completing challenges based on knowledge and full history. Incorporation of QR codes leading to multimedia sources including video and articles. The goal is to make learning history interactive, memorable, and collaborative.
Impact and relevance. We believe our game will transform the classroom experience. It helps students understand and retain historical facts by engaging their senses through interactive play. Benefits: increased distances of facts due to learning. Student development research skills by exploring more through QR link content. What impact? Sustainable to both local and international history curriculum. This game can increase history subject performed in Malaysia, inspiring improving students' academic achievements.
This innovation project is because SDG for quality education. This innovation project has influence and university to grow ensure inclusive and efficient. Quality education workshop has influence and university by promoting cooperation. This project connect to SDGs 17 partnerships for the growth and study by SDG can inspire collaboration among students, teachers, and education institutions. Can inspire in agreement with SDGs level our board game purpose, sustainable learning environments where education in agreement with is more fun and impactful.
Research shows that students who engage in active learning retain 70% more information than those who study through passive means. Research shows that a trial run of the board game in school studies class shows a 30% improvement in test scores for students who participated. A trial run of the board game in school we tested this board game with 30 students. 90% say they prefer it over textbook-based learning. We tested this board game with 30.
zaman batu dan zaman logam.
The games can be produced using eco-friendly materials which connect to SDG 12, responsibility, consumer and production. Estimated production cost for a classroom set of 30 board games are around 500. This game can be introduced in history classrooms for scholarship. With logistic version of specific regions of country, it could also be designed to reach more students. Teachers can easily integrate this game into their lessons through our step-by-step integration guide and online supports.
We invite you to support our innovation by advocating for its integration into the national history curriculum. With your support, we can create a generation of students who don't just memorize history but also are very passionate about learning it. Let's make history something students love, not dread. In conclusion, our board game offers a fun, interactive, and scalable solution to transform the way history is taught. By combining education with innovation, we are empowering students to think critically and work collaboratively. With your support, we can ensure that history remains a vital, engaging subject for future generations. Thank you.
Curiosity.